of these kind of online exams in which you are given resources and materials that are at hand to you and you can easily approach to them. So what is an open book exam? In open book exam, you have notes, text and resource materials with you, but you are given an exam situation. And what is the requirement of open book exam? It seeks your ability to find and apply information. Means you are given a piece of passage or literature or article, and from there you are asked certain questions. From there you can apply information. You can identify and apply knowledge. Means some practical is given to you, and you know how to criticize a given information, and to know how to evaluate and progress that information and apply it to other phenomena. Open book exam checks certain of your abilities. It checks that how can you criticize a piece of information or the piece of literature. How can you evaluate, summarize or organize on information. Why are some exams open book? As some of the students, they are in habit of rote learning, means they cram up the information and they transfer it to their papers or their exams, but it restricts rote learning. And it's not enough that at university level you memorize and repeat information. Not enough. That is not enough to get good marks. It tests your intellectual abilities and skills. They also test that can you find the relevant information or not, that are you able to give the proper answers, can you understand, analyze and apply knowledge, and can you think critically or not. So there are two kinds of open book exams. One is traditional sit down limited time exam, like you are given to write down an essay or comprehension. Then there is take home open book exam. You do sitting at home at your own PC or laptop or on your phone. You are given the questions, answers are attempted without help from others, and then it is returned. And the time is specific, and within that time, you are to upload that information back to the teacher. While you are conducting an online open book exam, you can have some piece of resource material with you. It can vary means from subject to subject. It can change from if it's a theoretical subject, you can use dictionary. For example, in English you can use dictionary, some resource material, some online dictionaries or thesauruses. But while you are taking the exams of science subjects, you can use some formula sheets, tables or text that may be totally unrestricted. Unrestricted means you are not bound to some material. Materials might be your notes, means already you are practicing at home and you can use those notes. There could be readings, reference materials or textbooks, and some scientific equipment like calculators or some tools like gadgets. Materials used in take-home exams are usually unrestricted. You can use course guides or lectures to find out that what can be applied here. Your attempts, you must attempt them by yourself without any help from others, and it would be useless if you try to cheat. There are some misconceptions about open book exam. Misconceptions means that you misunderstand that if you have some guide material with you, you can copy and paste that. It's wrong. So you should study. Open books exams are a breeze. This is a misconception. Breeze means they are very simple, they are cake easy, and you can take them as simply as you, because you have all the material with you, you can use them and you can attempt it very easily. It doesn't mean you don't have to study. For example, if you are attempting a comprehension passage, you must have a practice of attempting comprehension passages. You can't just copy straight from the book. Means it's not a patching of some piece of information. Rather, it is a criticism, it is evaluation, and you must know how to attempt them. The more materials, the better. It doesn't mean that more you write, the more you will be able to get good marks. It doesn't mean. Sometimes summarizing means you are going to restrict the information. If you think you can cheat, it's very wrong, because it will be very much obvious that you have copied the information, because you cannot copy and paste the information simply. Thank you so much.